You ever had that moment where you finally lie down, scroll a bit, check one more video, and suddenly, boom, it's 3 a.m.? Then you wake up 6 hours later, eyes burning, brain fogged, and you say the same thing you always do. I'll sleep early tomorrow. But tomorrow never comes. Yet somehow, there's that one friend, that one entrepreneur, or that one superhuman on YouTube saying, I only sleep 5 hours and I feel amazing. And you're like, bro, how? Well, guess what? Today, you'll understand the science behind how some people sleep less and still wake up feeling fresh, sharp, and fully charged. Let's hack your sleep, not destroy it. The science of real rest. Here's the first truth. It's not about how long you sleep. It's about how efficiently your brain moves through sleep cycles. You see, your brain goes through 5 stages every 90 minutes, from light sleep to deep sleep to REM. Deep sleep equals body recovery, muscles, immune system, energy recharge. REM sleep equals brain recovery, focus, creativity, memory. When your cycles are clean and aligned, your body gets full recovery, even in 5.5 to 6 hours. But if your sleep is fragmented, blue light, stress, caffeine, chaos, you can sleep 9 hours and still feel dead. So our goal isn't more time in bed, it's more deep and REM sleep per hour. The efficient sleep formula, science plus practice. All right, bro, here's the science-backed system that'll make your 5 to 6 hours feel like 8+ hours of power sleep. 1. Sleep at the same time every night, even weekends. Your brain loves consistency. Every night you sleep and wake at the same time, your circadian rhythm strengthens. It's like training your body to release melatonin automatically. Stanford studies show that irregular sleep schedules confuse the brain, making your deep sleep shorter and lighter. So set a fixed time, for example, sleep at 11 p.m., wake at 5:30 a.m. Even on weekends. That rhythm will make your mornings shockingly fresh. 2. Follow the 90-minute rule. Each sleep cycle equals about 90 minutes. Waking in the middle of one makes you groggy. Waking right after one ends makes you feel awake. So plan your sleep in multiples of 90 minutes. 4.5 hours, 3 cycles. 6 hours, 4 cycles. 7.5 hours, 5 cycles. Set your alarm based on cycle completion, not random numbers. 3. Pre-sleep shutdown sequence, the 60-minute power down. Here's the elite habit most people skip. The last hour before bed is your preparation time for quality sleep. Use the 3-2-1 method. 3 hours before bed, no heavy meals. 2 hours before, no work or stress. 1 hour before, no screens. Replace screens with dim, warm lights, gratitude journaling or meditation, calm playlist, 60 to 80 beats per minute, light stretching. This signals your nervous system. Yo, it's rest time. 4. Morning light equals instant freshness. First thing after waking, don't touch your phone. Step outside for 10 minutes of sunlight. That light exposure resets your circadian rhythm, suppresses melatonin, and boosts serotonin, your mood, motivation, and alertness hormone. You'll feel your brain literally wake up naturally. 5. Cold water or movement, right after waking. Don't hit snooze. Hit action. Wash your face with cold water or do 20 push-ups jumping jacks. Anything to raise your heart rate. This boosts dopamine and noradrenaline, which instantly clears sleep inertia. Within 3 minutes, your energy skyrockets. Advanced sleep optimization tricks. These are next-level hacks used by high performers. 1. Caffeine timing. No caffeine after 2 p.m. Caffeine blocks adenosine, the chemical that makes you sleepy. If you drink late, it stays in your system for 6 to 8 hours. Even if you fall asleep, your deep sleep drops by up to 30%. 2. Dark, cold, quiet room. Your ideal sleep environment. temperature 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. Lights, pitch black, or use a sleep mask. Sound, white noise or silence. The colder and darker it is, the more deep sleep your body creates. 4. Mental declutter. Before bed, dump your thoughts onto paper. When your mind's racing with to-dos, it keeps your brain in beta waves, awake mode. Journaling shifts you into alpha and theta waves, aka the ready for deep sleep mode. The mindset shift that changes everything. Bro, sleep isn't a weakness. It's a performance tool. You don't need to brag about sleeping 4 hours. You need to master efficient recovery. Because success isn't about who stays up late. It's about who wakes up clear, calm, and focused. You can't pour from an empty brain. Optimize your sleep, and you'll get more time, energy, and life back. Sleep less, but sleep smarter. Train your body to rest deeply, dream vividly, and wake up with power. Because one day, when you wake up before your alarm, eyes open, heart calm, mind clear, you'll realize you don't need more time. You just need better energy.